These are the top 5 weirdest animals in the world, and the last one looks like it's from another planet.
Comment which one is your favorite. But first, like and subscribe right now for instant good luck today. Don't risk it.
Number 5. Star-nosed mole. Number 4. Eye. Number 3. Glass frog. Number 2. Blobfish. Number 1. Axolotl.
Which one shocked you the most? Comment your answer below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more crazy content.